going on, everybody? Good morning. It's 4 o'clock and I'm on my way to Arkansas to buy a new motorcycle. Five hours later, just got here. Gonna go check out the bike. Wish me luck. I got the bike. And on a positive note, I didn't get chopped into a million pieces. So that's good. We're not gonna talk about it just yet. We're gonna get home and we'll look at it together. Little update. It is 2 o'clock. I am almost 10 and a half hours into this crazy journey. I'm pretty dang tired, but I had to stop because I'm hungry. That said, we're in Texas again. So we're gonna go to Whataburger. It's the only place to go. The only place to go. Let's go eat. All right, good lunch. If you've never had Whataburger, you're 100% missing out on life. It is 2:15, got about 2 hours to go. Oh man, what a trip, what a drive. So 12 hours on the road, 5.5 hours there, 5.5 hours back, a couple of stops in between. And for what? What did I get? You know, so friends, family, some folks that I ride around with, they're like, all right, you've been on the 300 for a minute, it's time to upgrade. So I started thinking, I've always wanted a bigger bike, but I started thinking, all right, could I do a ZX6? Could I do an R6? The new R6s are amazing. They're so beautiful. There's a couple of them out at the track and man, all right, well, that would be kind of cool. Do I do 1,000 cc? I was all over the dang place. Then I just started thinking like, man, well, the 300 for me is more than enough. Its capabilities outweigh me as a rider, so why am I just gonna keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger and faster, you know? So I would like to upgrade in the future, maybe a Ninja 400, but to be honest, that's probably the extent of big bike that I would get. So what did I spend all this time on the road for? What did I actually buy? So I went the other direction. I didn't go bigger, I went smaller. So this is a little bike. I went with a littler bike, if that's a word. So I ended up getting a 2015 Honda Grom. It's got all kinds of good stuff on it. It was definitely worth the drive in my opinion. Super low miles and it's absolutely pristine. It's perfect. Instead of just turning the camera around, just showing you the bike, I made a fun little edit. I really hope you enjoy. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut the video after the edit, and then maybe we'll do a future video walking through what the Grom actually has. But thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your time. See you later.